So our friends at Xenselabs sent me their medium tablet bundle to review, and you can get some nice offers too. So first, when you get the tablet, you will see it's a very nice packaging, very high quality box, and it comes packed with many different accessories. When you open the box, you'll find this nice thank you note in several languages. And you'll find the tablet right here underneath. The first bag is a tablet, so let's open it. This one is a medium size and it's available in two color options, black and white. They sent me the black one, which is pretty good, but I think the white one maybe looks a little bit cooler depending on the color scheme of your desk setup. The surface of the tablet feels great. It's very minimalistic since it only has 3 buttons at the top and some LED lighting indicators on the corners of the active drawing area. Next, we have this nice case with 2 different pens which come in 2 sizes and 10 spare nibs plus a tool to extract them. Inside the case you will also find some adapters for you to connect them to PC or to a Mac, and it comes with a USB-A to USB-C adapter in case you are using a Mac, as I said. Next, we have a box that comes with the most interesting accessory in my opinion. And this is a controller with a dial and 8 programmable keys. The controller is very similar to that of the Wacom Cintiq, except this one is very nice because it comes with a display that shows what shortcuts you have assigned to each key. The controller is great quality build and comes with a dial that serves different purposes. And it comes also with USB-C for connectivity and charging, which is always awesome. Also in the box you will get some paperwork and 2 cables to connect the devices to your PC. Both are USB-C to USB-A, and they are very nice because they come with their Velcro strap. And you will also get a medium-sized drawing glove, which I never use. Finally, underneath this first box, you'll find a case for you to store or carry the tablet, which is great. Very nice quality and very nice size for a tablet to fit perfectly. I think for both tablet colors, the back is gray, which is a very nice neutral color. And yep. So what's it like using the tablet? Well, it's great. The surface feels really nice, similar to an Intuos Pro tablet if you've ever used one. The pen is very responsive. It has 3 programmable buttons on it, plus an eraser at the tip. I'm used to using only 2 buttons, so I never use a third one. I simply turn it off. Using the controller and the dial is amazing. I love using the controller and I love that the screen shows what are the shortcuts assigned to each key. I've always used a Wacom Intuos 4, which is a very old tablet by now, and that one also has a display next to each of the shortcut keys. So that's why I'm very used to it, and it's a feature that I personally love and hate that Wacom removed it in later models. The dial has a great build quality and it's very responsive. I mostly use it to change the brush size and rotate the canvas, but it's very customizable. Another great feature of the LED lights on the tablet, they don't only show what's the limit of the active area of the tablet, but they are RGB, so those change depending on each application. So you know what are the keys and functions assigned to it. Here you can see how they go from blue to orange when I change from Photoshop to Blender and back to Photoshop. The keys that are mapped in the controller also change depending on the software that you are using, and the color of the dial changes depending on the function that you have assigned to it. Now I will go into the into the speed modeling part of the video and talk to you a little bit more about what I think of this tablet. Okay, let's talk about the things I like about this tablet. First of all, the build quality. The build quality is amazing and definitely it's Wacom label. Everything has like a nice way to it, it feels solid and made out of great materials, especially the pen. It feels almost exactly as a Wacom pen, and that is something that is really much appreciated and something that other Wacom alternatives don't have. They feel either weird or cheap, which is something that I don't quite like, and it's telling of its price and the materials that they are made of. The driver installation process is also great. The software for setting up the tablet and the keys, it's great. It simply shows that Wacom is getting a little bit behind when it comes to software and drivers. The other thing that I liked quite a bit is the fact that Wacom drivers didn't interfere with Xenselabs drivers, something like other brands like Xeon, for example, don't have. Also pen pressure and accuracy is also top notch, no issue there at all. I couldn't even feel any major difference to my Intuos 4. And now the controller. Simply put, it's great. The dial is great. It works exactly as expected, and I also think I prefer having enough to control, for example, the zoom or the brush size, rather than having, let's call it a touch slider or a touch dial. I think the actual knob is far superior. Another great thing is having USB-C for connectivity and them including two cables, one for each device. It's great. The adapters are also like a very good addition to the whole package. And yep. Now, some things that I don't like. There are very few things I don't like actually, and most of them are quite nitpicky. First, I'd like XENCELABS to provide a base or a stand for the pen you're using. The case is very nice, it feels great, but it's not quite as convenient as the base that Wacom or Xeon provide with their pens. Second, it would be great to have a better variety of nibs to get different feelings for different use cases when using different pens, since they include two. And finally, would I recommend this tablet? The answer is absolutely. This tablet isn't as cheap as other brands, so I wouldn't say it's a value option if you don't have much budget for a tablet. But I think that what you get for the price is quite better than the other brands, since it is still about $100 less than the Intuos Pro from Wacom. And I think you're actually getting more value for your money with these XENCELABS tablets. And the user experience is quite at the same level. So yeah, I think it's a better option. But if you're more used to Wacom and you have the budget for it, then you could totally go for a Wacom. The experience is actually really similar, except for the fact that you're getting like the controller with this tablet. I think it would be interesting to see a display tablet from XENCELABS in the future, seeing what they have accomplished so far with this tablet. And I also think it would be nice to compare it to other tablet brands. So if you're listening, hit me up, Weon, XP Pen, Wacom, you know where to find me, wink wink. So in case you've made it so far, thanks for watching, and for you guys who are subscribed to my channel, you can find an affiliate link which the people of XENCELABS have provided to get you a special offer. So click the link down in the description and go check it out if you're interested. Thanks again, and see you in the next one. Peace.